What's up, everybody? This is the aftermath of a major fig grafting project I did. You're looking at a fig tree that has been in the ground for many years. I'm at my uncle's house. This is his fig tree. I grew up with this fig tree. I used to eat figs off of it as a kid. It's really important to me and it has a lot of meaning in my life. So I asked my uncle to cut a few of the branches so I can graft onto it. And I'm going to show you guys some of the grafts I did, because some of them are starting to wake up. This is Southern California. This is zone 10. So we're in the month of March. I did these grafts in February and some of them are starting to take. I asked my uncle to have his gardener cut the tree. This is not my most ideal kind of grafting that I did, because most ideal would be to chop the tree back way there down there and graft onto the little shoots that popped out. However, I had to work with what I had, and basically he cut off big branches up here. The tree used to be a lot taller. It used to be double the height, but he just cut off those top branches, so I had to just do grafts on the little branches that remained. And look, some of these grafts are starting to take. It is really exciting to see. Let me show you some stuff up here. Let me get up on a ladder and show you guys. It's pretty cool. Here it is. There's one. Look at the nice new leaves popping through the grafting tape. Here's another one. More leaves, looking really nice. Look, this one's already made figs, which is beautiful. That's pretty cool. There I did the graft. Graft grew out, popped through the grafting tape, got figs. That's pretty cool. Pretty nice to see. I've been going around the tree, knocking off certain buds that grow below it, below the grafts, because that is rootstock competition. We don't want that. We want the graft to grow and not the rootstock. By the way, this is a brown turkey fig that my uncle planted in that, I don't know when he planted it. It's a very old tree. And look at that, right there. I'll get up on a ladder to show you more clearly. Oh yeah, check it out here. Look, here's more grafts that I've taken. This is a Panache fig. I could tell by the color of the stem. We got good leaves popping through. I did all sorts of varieties, and I mostly did these with modified cleft grafts. I did a video very recently on how to do modified cleft grafts. I'll post it up here at the top of the video. You guys can check it out. But this is looking good. This is very encouraging. This one I'm excited about. This is Figo Preto, which is supposed to be one of the great figs of the world. There are over 300 varieties of figs, and I try to graft as many as I could on the tree. Check the description. I'll show you guys, I'll write down each and every variety I grafted onto the tree, but off the top of my head, I did Italian 258, Martinenca Rimada, Panache, Blue Celeste, Figo Preto, Bourjasotte Grise, and a lot more. So here it is. I see a lot more branches that could have gotten grafted on, and I think I'm gonna, if there's any fig cuttings available, I'm gonna try to do more fig grafts onto this, just to do every single branch. I thought I did most of the branches, but I see some available branches right here. Here's some little growth popping through this one. Yes, exciting. Unfortunately, I did not label them because I had too many grafts to do. I think there are about 20 grafts on this tree, but things are looking good. Some of them haven't pushed yet, but I expect them to push some growth soon. All right, people, just wanted to show you that. I want to show you the possibility of what you can do with how creative you can get with a fig tree, how many varieties you can put on a fig tree. It's really fun. There's over 300 varieties, and you can have a multi-grafted fig tree, and I want to spread this kind of love to the world. All right, thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching.